Hello everyone. During the pandemic, we went one-to-one using iPads for our kindergartners. That platform made sense for that group of students since the touch technology is perfect for navigating at that age. However, our group that could have benefited the most from using clever badges could not, since the single sign-on features didn't work with iPads, losing out on access to certain apps or at the very least making it more cumbersome to get into. Well, this all changes now because this year our district secured through grant funds additional touchscreen Chromebooks. Kindergarten teachers will be able to generate clever badges for instant access to Chromebooks and all the clever connected apps such as Seesaw, BrainPop, and others. In addition, new curriculum adoptions K-5 will be streamlined through utilizing the same platform as other grade levels. So what's next? We understand that kindergarten teachers have current activities that rely on iPads to achieve academic goals, so we will not be taking away all the iPads. A survey has gone out to help us determine the quantity. Once we have those numbers, along with a curriculum review process, we will let you know the next steps. The transition will likely involve introducing a batch of Chromebooks into your classroom before the school year ends, while a set of iPads remain in place. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to contact me. Hope you have a wonderful day.